On this episode of Antidote TV.
Oh my god, that was so cool. Oh my god.
Fire.
I got something about to catch on fire. Found it.
I just found it too. Yep, I just touched it.
What?
Yeah, well, I like it. Look at my
Right here, are you videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. This thing came out.
What is that?
It's not quite right, but we're gonna make it right.
I like that.
Yeah.
Swing round, come on, chill with me. I got your favorite show recorded on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I'll turn off the radio. So won't you pick up, and we can link up. It's not a hookup. Don't think about it too much, too much. You just need to pick up, and we can link up.
Oh my god, that was
About it too much, too
oh
much.
my god.
Do you think about the days when we sat down smoking wine and drinking hazel? Was it the other way? Was it the other way? Swing round, come on, chill with me. I got your favorite show recorded on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I'll turn off the radio. So won't you pick up, then we can link up. It's not a hookup. Don't think about it too much, too much. You just need to pick up, then we can link up. Don't think about it too much, too much. 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 Swing round, come on, chill with me. I got your favorite show recorded on my TV, but we don't have to watch that.
Move on!
Stressed out. Stressed out.
Do you think about the days when we sat down smoking wine and drinking hazel? Was it the other way? Was it the other way? Swing round, come on, chill with me. I got your favorite show recorded on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I'll turn off the radio. So won't you pick up, then we can link up. It's not a hookup. Don't think about it too much, too much. You just need to pick up, then we can link up. Don't think about it too much, too much. Don't think about it too much, too much.
Fire.
I got something about to catch on fire. Got it? Yeah. Sorry. It went out and it came back on. Something's on fire. The car is on fire. You got a flathead? Yeah. come see Mike?
I think you found it. I just found it too.
Yeah, we found it. We saw your finger.
Yep, I just touched it.
What? We ain't smoking no more. Gotta cool it off though.
Where's the ECU at?
Right here.
Did I just wet it?
A little bit, it's fine.
About 8 inches to the left of that burnt hole.
No, I'm saying we just cut the engine harness off the body harness. The body. Get the lights to work on and the brake lights to work. That's all he needs. And then go to frsport.com, look at the diagram, and wire the 3 wires in to turn the SR on. You can put it on a switch to the battery. Don't even put a switch. Twist 2 wires together and go drill.
Well, did it even burn the wires?
I'm gonna unplug my ECU.
Just get all the insulation out of it.
I can't get. I'm trying to get my ECU out.
Some people were saying they thought it burnt the whole wiring out of the car.
Now I am.
Wrap your downpipe, people. That's what I have to say. And drink some water. Always stay hydrated.
Yeah. I ain't even drinking water. I need to drink some water.
That's your problem. You don't drink any water.
That's why I'm always passing out at every event. Yeah. That does happen. It does. It's embarrassing. It happens. What's next? I don't know. The night. Then bring on the night.
Oh my god.
It's like gold dust. You hear me coming through your speakers. You see me mashing up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. Gold dust. I know you can't get enough of my sound. I know you can't get enough of my sound.
What a day. What a day. What a day. Yeah, Michael.